Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can change Siri's voice right within your iPhone settings. So you can give Siri a different accent, you can go male to female. So let's go ahead and open up our settings here. And you are going to want to scroll down to where you see Siri and search. We can go ahead and tap on this. And then now we're in the Siri and search settings here. And you'll notice that my Siri voice right now, it's set to American 1. So if I tap on this, right, we have a bunch of different options here. We can choose from Australian, British, Indian, Irish, South African. And within each of these main varieties right here, there are different voices that go along with it. So within the American one, well, there's 4 different styles of American that are in there. Some are going to be male, some are going to be female. So if I wanted to just choose, let's say, British, well, then there's 2 different styles. Probably one's going to be female, one's going to be male, and we can go ahead and select one of those. If it says downloading, that's just because your phone needs to download that certain Siri voice. Okay, once it's downloaded, then it will have a check mark, and then you have successfully saved and chosen a new Siri voice. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.